Hey guys, this is again Coach Mas here. So we're going to see some shoulder warm-up movements. So how to improve our shoulder mobility, and we can prepare ourselves for doing some good shoulder workout. So the first thing is shoulder circles. You can do it in this way. Just keep your hands gripping your fist wider and tight and make a clockwise circle. Just start with 5 counts clockwise and anti-clockwise 5 counts. So this is how you need to concentrate. You need to keep your elbow completely locked. Just focus on one single point. Always you should have a good control over your breath, how you breathe. Okay, this is how the circle goes, clockwise and anti-clockwise. She's doing the anti-clock movement now. She's taking the shoulder back and fro, back and fro. Again the fro, front to back, front to back. This is how we do the shoulder circles. Okay, so the next movement, just keep the hands wider. This is the internal and external rotations of your shoulder blades. You can include this before doing the shoulder workout. Just start with 10 counts or 20 counts like that. You can feel the stretch in your complete shoulder blades while getting on the work. You can feel the stretch. See this, complete shoulder is on the work now. So this is a good warm-up for the shoulder workout. This is one of the best. Okay, so next one we'll go for the trunk rotation. So this is going to work your thoracic section also, and along with the shoulder warm-up. Come on, let's go for the trunk rotation. Yes, this is how we do the trunk rotation. You need to concentrate on your exhalation and inhalation. Okay, the movement should be very smooth, and it should be like you have to do every movement with more consciousness towards the movement. So thank you so much guys. We'll meet you on next video. Thank you guys.